Class, I'm going to give you a short tutorial on peer reviews. And if you've never done a peer review, it's where you're going to be responding to your classmates' essays. And this can be a very valuable experience for you because I'm not going to be the only one responding to your papers. Your peers are going to be reading it and giving you feedback. And depending on how much effort you put into this and how well you respond to your peers, you can gain a lot of value from having other people read your work. So I just want to review for you what the expectation is and how you can be successful in your peer reviews, which I will be reviewing, and you'll also be graded for the quality of reviewing that you give. So the first thing that I want to share with you is I just want to go through the discussion page, which is where the majority of your work for this week is going to take place. So the first thing that I'd like you to do is I want you to make sure you read over this carefully, because embedded in this is quite a few things that you have to do this week for this discussion, because it's all going to be public on the discussion board. You do need to thoroughly respond to the following questions from Really Responding to Other Students' Writing by Richard Straub, and include your answers in the body of your discussion post. So when you click on comment, in the body, you're going to have answers to these questions here. And then you are also going to upload your working draft, preferably in Microsoft Word, with that comment. Then on Friday morning, you're going to be assigned 2 peer reviews. So 2 of your peers, I'm going to give you their names. You're going to go download their essay, and you are going to review it by filling out the following peer review sheet. Now, when you read chapter 19, it's very valuable information, very helpful, that I'd like you to go over. And I want to make sure that you work really read through this to help you in the process of going through your peer review experience. So don't neglect the reading. It will be helpful for you. So just so you know, you have to have this read, your responses, and you need to upload the working draft of your This I Believe essay. On the peer review sheet, I've tried to give you focused questions so that you can respond well. You're going to be completing 2 of these peer review sheets. So you can download it twice, or you can download it, make a copy of it, and then make sure that you upload this sheet to the peers essay that you're going to be, the 2 peers essays that you're going to be reviewing. The peer reviews themselves are going to be due on Sunday, September 20th. So there is quite a few things that you have to do this week. Your working draft, which should be completed, response to these 3 questions. And just so you know, I've tried to exclaim here, be specific, give me examples. Don't just write a surface response, but make sure that you thoroughly respond to these questions to let me know that you've done the reading. If I find that the answers continue to not be vague and not specific, I'll just start assigning reading quizzes, which I really don't like to do because I don't feel like they're as effective. But if you spend some time, give me some thorough responses, we can avoid quizzes, and I know that you've been reading the material. So this is the expectation for this week. Peer reviews, the amount of work you put into them really is an awesome way to help your peers, and they can be incredibly rewarding. If you just write surface comments, you don't answer the questions, you give vague answers to your peers, they're not very helpful. So that's one of the things that I'm going to be looking for. So this is the expectation for this week. If anything's unclear or you have questions, let me know. But hopefully this lays out exactly what you are supposed to be doing this week. Thanks so much.